Yeah,
what honey stores there are.
The frames I can see look pretty good.
So starting off, we really had to just open up the original hive and just kind of check it out and see how the frames were, if they had honey, how the bees were looking before we split the hive.
Really good pattern. See the eggs really clearly. Some of the cells are larvae, but in the empty cells, oh, there's a varroa mite. It's a little red thing.
Oh, I see. It's just you've not noticed them.
Yeah.
Is that a good frame to put out?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good larva frame. Really good, actually.
Once we checked out the frames, then it was time to find some of the frames that looked good enough to put into the new hive. Then it was time for the queen excluder to go on. This just keeps the queen from getting up into the top box, and the top box eventually will become part of our new hive. And then we can put the box that will become the new hive on top.
Gross. That's larva.
Yeah.
No. That's really good to see.
That's. I have no idea, but
Hopefully that's a good sign.
that reasonably seems like a good sign.
It does.
And there's still bees in here, so that's.
Yeah, they haven't all died off.
Yeah. So I should. I almost, when I woke up this morning, I was like, oh, I need to bring cinnamon. Oh. Hopefully that didn't wake him up too much. Should grab. Stuck in there.
Did you get a marked queen?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. That'll be good, because that other queen is very hard to find every time I turn.
Sorry.
John?
She gone.
Is there something in there?
Oh, no, she's not gone.
She's not gone.
But the plug is gone. But no, that's her.
She's live?
Yeah. I'm gonna put her back. They're definitely accepting her, I would suspect, because it looks like they've certainly released her. What else have we got here? I see lots of capped. So she's gonna have to get busy though.
What's that?
She's gonna have to get busy.
Yeah.
How many days should it take?
Well, they've released her. Like the candy,
But she's not
the candy plug is gone. So maybe she's just
being lazy?
lazy.
That's not good for the start.
So splitting the hive was successful. We did notice that the queen was not laying any eggs this day, and it had already been a few days since she had been put in, and so we will keep you informed as to what happens.